you were able to finish the game strong din?
We started flat eh. So, sama ng start namin, hindi kami makakuha ng momentum kasi dami rin namin binigay na offensive rebounds and second chance points. But despite of that, nandun yung, I mean, we're struggling pero nandun pa rin kami, dumidikit pa rin kami. Sabi ko lang, we just need multiple stops and good execution para, you know, somehow medyo makontrol natin yung game.
Coach, si Kevin Santos po was definitely one of the best players of this game. He was all over the floor, offense, defense, ang dami nga pong slam dunks eh. How would you describe his gameplay today and moving forward po, how vital would he be sa veteran po?
Well, ang laki ng pinagbago ni Kevin. So, I guess for me, it's about accepting his role and trusting him with this role. Yun yung yun yung importante kasi last year, syempre, that was my first year, so medyo searching din kami sa isa't isa. But ayun, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of bond, you know. Kailangan pakita mo rin na importante sila, pakita mo rin na mahal mo sila. Hindi lang yung magpa-practice lang kayo at, you know, importante yung relasyon sa kanila na ma-feel ng mga bata na how important they are, not just for me but dito sa Team Letran.
Coach, can you talk about yung gamble nyo adjusting to zone defense? Kasi naka-pull ng press pero gumana naman eventually. So,
yeah, kumbaga yung adjustment namin dun sa second half, medyo we just try to cover them kasi ang bigat din yung Arellano, puro dribble drive, ang bilis eh. So we try to, you know, limit their attacks. But yeah, just again study the film and then you know, still have a day going to Friday's game, do or die.